Alright YouTube, I've got an iPhone 15 Pro. I'm gonna put on these camera lens protectors. Amazon, like 10 bucks. This is QHOHQ. It's like a palindrome. So it had decent reviews and I'm gonna give them a shot. So I was looking at the cases and most of them have just a cutout for the cameras. And so I wanted a case and something over the cameras. So these are the individual like cap types. This isn't like the whole square shield that goes over this whole plateau here. These are the individual caps go on each lens individually. So I thought if I put these on, then the case, then I'm better off than a case with a hole right here. That's my reasoning. So got like a lens wipe here, go face down, and let's open it up. So the instructions, 3 cleaning kits and 3 lens kits. So I'm gonna take 1 and 1 cleaning kit. All right, step 1, use wet wipes to clean the camera. Step 2, use the microfiber cloth to dry the camera. 3, dust removal sticker. 4, take the protectors and align them. Step 5, peel it off. Step 6, align it. Step 7, microfiber cloth to press on the outside. Press down. 8, remove the insulation frame. Push down more with the microfiber. If you need to take them off, this thing acts like a crowbar. Pry them up. All right. So I'm gonna use my own lens cloth to start. All right, here's the wet. Just gonna break down any oils. Here's the dry. I'm gonna fold it and do it again. All right, sticker. So I'm gonna use my own cloth again and just gently blow as I'm doing it. All right. So you're gonna peel the white off and you're gonna stick it down, obviously this way. Do one more. There's not much wiggle room, so you don't really have to align it that much. Like I came up and looked overhead, but it fits on there and the tolerance is pretty good. I'm gonna take my cloth, I'm gonna press. I'm not gonna commit to one, I'm gonna evenly distribute my pressing. Get a little harder each time. And also sort of rock back and forth, up and down and side to side. Feels pretty good. Oh, see the one came off. Gotta press a little harder. There you go. It says press again. Well, there you go. Pretty cool. See how long they stay on. Camera looks good. All right, so 15 Pro lens protectors. Pretty easy install. If they turn out really bad, I'll make an update, but pretty cool. Thanks for watching. I'm not sponsored or anything, so please subscribe. Peace.